Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 2014 F250 Super Duty XLT. It's got the 6.2 liter motor in it and it had the knock sensor codes. So you have to take the manifold off, and when I was looking, you can kind of look in here under the manifold and I could see that that wire was all kind of messed up. It looks like it's melted, and I thought it was just melted, but now I see there's a mouse nest, and you can see right there that it has been chewed through. So not only basically probably what's wrong with this is just that the harness is chewed up, not the knock sensors. But while we're in here, we're going to replace both knock sensors. And I wanted to replace this whole wire harness because that whole wire harness comes up and just plugs right here. So I get my parts, my service manager gets me parts, and all he got me was the pigtail. So I'm going to find out when he gets back if we can get a whole wire harness, because it sure would be better to replace this whole wire harness, because it has definitely been chewed on down here too. Instead of just replacing that one pigtail that I'm gonna have to cut apart and fix and repair. So just a real quick one on this, that the wire harness is chewed up, causing a knock sensor code. You have to take the manifold off. It is very easy to get the manifold off. You disconnect the battery, you pop the alternator out of the way. You have to take the throttle body off so you get clearance here at the firewall, or the cowling, whatever you want to call it. And then you just blow it all off. You take all the bolts out and the manifold lifts out. You got to pull the coils. You got to pull the injector wire harness. You have to pull this wire harness back. Not a bad job overall, but we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do about that wire harness, even though I have a wire harness to repair it. Maybe I'll just repair it, I don't know. All right, everybody, just a real quick one on this F250. Here's the manifold down here. Some places say to pull the injector rail and get it out of your way. You can just unplug it from here and get it out of your way. You still have to pull the bolts out because the bolts go all the way through into the cylinder heads. All right, everybody, just a real quick one on replacing the knock sensors in this 2014 6.2 liter F250. You have to take the manifold off. Plenty of room, not a bad job. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that down there in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the automotive videos.